I be called, yeah, with a toast, hanging lost, I'ma make it, wait until the day, I'ma make this bitch light up, Lil Drew Berry. This is it, look, this little light of mine is still growing. You can see it glowing if you had your fucking eyes open. Try and focus, I wrote it down so you could get the notice. I shine, and you can try and dull it, but it's hopeless superstar. I try to tell you this is why I'm hot, let it burn, cause ain't gonna be no help from sunblock. Hazy overcast, but I still bring heat. Humid, have your chick moist in the seat. Why you sweating me, homie? That's not cool. Take a chill pill, nigga, go find some pool. Be a shark or something, maybe then you find food. Cause over here look like the summer started getting kinda cruel. You don't wanna be that picture when the camera flash, cause the missing person list got a mean stash. This ain't difficult, we all gon' see the light. Pray to God it's the first time you don't see it twice, cause when that lead hit, it's a different burn. And I think now you should be concerned. I try to tell y'all, home avoid the strap. Why you make me light it up like that?